Hello students, today we are going to deliver practical session of embedded system. Myself Vikas Takle, JSPM Bhimrao Sawant Polytechnic Wagholi Pune, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department. Practical number 1, identify various pins of 8051 and AVR microcontroller. The particular microcontroller, it is used for lot many general applications and some special application we have to use. Let's start with the particular microcontroller 8051 block diagram first. In block diagram, we'll see the CPU, internal ROM, RAM, timer counter, serial port and interrupt available. Step by step we'll see the particular things. It is having 4 kilobyte of ROM available, 128 byte of RAM available, total 6 interrupts are available, reset 0, reset, external interrupt 0, external interrupt 1, timer 0 interrupt, timer 1 interrupt, and 4 parallel IO port, that is port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. The serial communication, it is done by 2 signal, that is TXD, transmit data serially, and RXD, receive data serially. The oscillator, it is used for giving oscillating frequency to the devices used in a particular microcontroller. It is using quartz crystal oscillator in between X1 and X2 pin of microcontroller, and it generates 12 megahertz frequency, but exactly it is 11.0592 megahertz frequency. Next we see the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. The pin diagram, it's showing the 8051 microcontroller total 40 pins are available. Which are the pin function? We will see one by one. The table 1.1, it shows pin function of 8051 microcontroller. Pin number 1 to pin number 8, it is having used for input and output port available. Pin number 9, reset pin, used to reset microcontroller for initial value, that is 000H. Pin number 10 to pin number 17, port 3 pins are available. It is having some multiple function used for interrupt, timer input, control signal, serial communication signal, RXD and TXD. Pin number 18 and 19, X1 and S2, used for interfacing external crystal to get the system clock frequency. Pin number 20, ground pin, used to provide a ground potential to the 8051 microcontroller. Pin number 21 to 28, port 2 pin, it serves as an input port. Several higher order address bus are also multiplexed with the particular port pin. Pin number 29, that is PSEN bar, program store enable, used to read a signal from the external program memory. Pin number 30, EA bar pin, external access input, used to enable or disable external memory interfacing. Pin number 31, ALE pin, it is used for address latch enable to demultiplex the address and data signal, that is separating address and data line that is connected to the particular port pin 0. Pin number 32 to 39, it is a port 0, that is served as a input output port. Lower order address and data bus signals are multiplexed using the particular port pin. Pin number 40, it is VCC pin, used to provide plus 5 volt power supply to the particular circuitry. Next we see the block diagram or microcontroller development board used in practical purpose. The microcontroller development board, it uses the CPU at a male microcontroller 89C51 or 89S5 we have to use. Next, it is having inbuilt of FRC connector that is connected with the port 1, port 3, port 2 and port 0. Then the power supply connector will be available on board. Each particular port, that is showing by the particular LED, that is port 0 LED, port 2 LED, port 3 LED and port 1 LED we are connecting here. Next, to connection with the particular PC or laptop, it is having RS232 serial data communication port available. Next we see the AVR microcontroller. The AVR, the name itself tells it is an advanced microcontroller. It is first developed in 1996 by Atmel Corporation. The name, it is telling about advanced virtual reduced instruction set computer microcontroller. It is consists of 32-bit, or it is having 8-bit general purpose working register available, single clock cycle available, and the arithmetic logic in it carrying the requested operation and arbitrary register available. The ALU can perform arithmetic as well as logical operation, and it perform the complement can also be executed in ALU. The AVR follows Harvard architecture format in which the processor is equipped with separate memories and buses for program and data information. Here, while an instruction is being executed, next instruction is prefetched from the particular memory. It is reduced instruction set, so that data and program memory we have to use here separately from the CPU. The program memory we have to got separately, data memory we have to got separately. It is a AVR is a hardware architecture model. Pin diagram of AVR microcontroller, it is having 4 parallel IO ports are available, that is port A 8-bit, port B 8-bit, port C 8-bit and port D 8-bit. Next we see the pin function of AVR microcontroller. Pin number 1 to pin number 8, that is PB0 to PB7, 8-bit bidirectional input output port are available. Pin number 9, a reset bar pin, generate a reset to the processor. Pin number 10, VCC, digital supply voltage we can available. Pin number 11 and 31, 2 ground pins are available for particular AVR microcontroller. Pin number 12, XTL1 pin, used for inverting oscillator amplifier and input to internal clock operating circuit. Pin number 13, XTL1 pin, XTL2 pin, output from inverting oscillator amplifier, get the particular port pin. Pin number 14 to 21, PD0 to PD7, it is 8-bit bidirectional input output port available. Pin number 22 to 29, PC0 to PC7, it is 8-bit bidirectional input output port are available. If JTAG interface is enabled, the pull-up register on particular port pin PC5, PC3 or PC2 will be activated even if reset occur. Pin number 30, that is AVCC, supply voltage pin of the port A, and A to D converter, it provide a positive potential to the A to D converter. Pin number 32, A reference, is the analog reference pin for the A to D converter. Pin number 33 to 40, it is PA0 to PA7 line, it is served as a analog input to the A to D converter, and it serves as a 8-bit bidirectional input output port. Next we see AVR microcontroller development board. The AVR microcontroller development board, it is inbuilt available at Mega 16 or 32 microcontroller. Then the reset switch is inbuilt available. It is having 8-bit keypad inbuilt available. The particular LED connection, it is showing the particular lines. The ISP, that is extra, that is in system programming feature inbuilt available. Next UART is UART and DTMF, that is dual tone multiple frequency inbuilt, we have to connect it. Then to connection of motor, it is having a driver circuitry required, that is L293DIC inbuilt available. To enable or disable the particular motor, it is having motor enable switch available. The power switch, it is available in particular LED board, particular microcontroller board. The power connection, it is done by the particular switch. 7805 plus 5 voltage regulator inbuilt available. This is about the AVR microcontroller. Okay, from this power experiment, we have to conclude that the particular AVCC, that is analog reference pin voltage plus 5 voltage applied to the A to D converter. A reference voltage, it is applied to the A to D converter. XTL1 pin, XTL2 pin used for AVR microcontroller, RxD, TxD pin. These two pins used for receiving data serially and transmitting data serially. This is about the 8051 microcontroller.